Hi everyone, today we're showcasing the 4.5 quart ceramic baking dish, perfect for casseroles, lasagna, gratin, and more. This large, deep 14 by 10 inch pan is safe for oven, microwave, refrigerator, and even disinfection cabinets, making it versatile for all your cooking needs. Available in blue and white, it's ideal for baking everything from cookies to savory dishes, perfect for holidays and special occasions. Made from premium ceramic glaze, it maintains even temperatures and resists scorching for long-lasting durability. You can move it directly from freezer to oven without preheating, but avoid sudden temperature changes to keep it safe. Oven safe up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. It's great for baking, roasting, heating, and food storage. Plus, it's easy to clean, scratch-resistant, dishwasher safe, and designed with amphora handles for safe, comfortable handling and space-saving storage. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.